Hello guys, Soft Tony here, and today we're making a dynamic animated background here in After Effects. Smooth, modern and no plugins needed. So smash the like button, subscribe and let's dive in. Alright people, here we are in After Effects and let's first create new composition, hit here, and this is gonna be as usual final comp, full HD, 30 FPS, 10 seconds long. Hit OK, and now let's create solid layer, go right click to create new solid, and I will just rename it BG, also full HD, and then hit OK. Now I will go here inside the effects and presets and type fill effect, drag and drop onto our background, and change here color according your needs. I will do dark blue color, maybe this one. Of course you are free to play around with the colors. Hit OK. Now let's select this solid layer, go here inside the edit, and then I will do duplicate or hit just Ctrl+D, and for the second layer I will name to lines, something like this. OK, and now let's go here inside the effects and presets again, type Venetian blinds effect. This one here inside transition category, drag and drop above this fill effect, change the fill effect, I will do maybe this pink color, hit OK, and you are also free to adjust the colors later on, and for the transition completion I will do 60, OK, and for the direction let's go 55, and for the width I will try 300, OK, and now we have this cool look, and this is gonna be our background. Now let's also add here first adjustment layer, go right click to create new adjustment layer. This is gonna be Displace, alright. I'll just rename this lines, make this one bigger, L, okay. Let's go here inside the effects and presets. I will type Turbulent Displace effect, drag and drop onto this first adjustment layer. And here for the amount you can play around. I will do maybe 20 or 25, somewhere around here. And now let's also animate evolution. Hold Alt on your keyboard and then left mouse click on this stopwatch, and I will type here time asterisk 100, and this is gonna be our great looking animation. You can type here higher number, it depends what speed do you want to achieve. Okay, now let's create this scene even better looking. Let's duplicate this lines solid layer, hit Ctrl+D. Drag this one above the Displace adjustment layer. Okay, let's also change this fill effect to maybe gray color. Hit OK. Let's go here inside the effects and presets. I will type Gaussian blur effect, drag and drop above the fill effect. And here for the blurriness, I will go to around 150 or so, somewhere around here. Okay, and you can hit here T for the opacity for these lines too. Let's lower down to around maybe 20% or so. And as you can see now inside the final composition we have this cool looking shadows. This is with and this is without this effect. You can also rename this solid layer. Okay, let's hit 0 and this is gonna be our cool looking background. What we can do also for the end, let's select everything, go right click, pre-compose. This is gonna be part 1. You can of course type whatever you want here, hit OK. Let's duplicate this composition once, hit Ctrl+D, go inside the effects and presets, and let's type find edges effect, drag and drop on the first one. OK, check this option invert inside this effect. OK, go for the blending mode, change to add, and let's also go back in the effects and presets and find Triton effect. Drag and drop and change the midtones to white color or whatever color you want, and now as you can see we will have also this cool looking white stroke here inside this final composition. You can also hit T for the opacity, make it less visible. It's everything up to you. In every moment you can also go inside this part 01, change here inside the lines, transition completion, width and everything else. You can also play around here with the shadows. Let's rename it like so, and now when we go back here inside the final composition we will have scene like this. I will just hit Ctrl+Z to bring back this original scene. Let's hit 0 and this is gonna be cool looking wavy animation. Alright guys, this was simple and easy tutorial. I have shown you this cool effect and easy way to create this wavy background, and also if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and take a look at my channel. You can find a bunch of different tutorials inside the After Effects and Premiere Pro. And until next time, stay creative and bye bye.